Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well and studying well. So children, in GK, we talk about so many different topics, isn't it? It is like a one-stop shop where we get knowledge about something which may not be included in our other textbooks as well. So children, let's look at something called aquatic life, which is a part of our science in this chapter. Alright, so many plants and animals live in water bodies. Here are given some of them. Identify and complete their names. So, as we all know that we have animals who live in water, we have plants that are in the water itself. So, they all are called aquatic animals, or they are called aquatic plants. So, let's look at them. This free-floating water plant, grows commonly in stagnant water. It is an aggressive invader that may kill other plants in the habitat by blocking sunlight. As you all know, plants require sunlight to grow. So, which is this plant that is very dangerous and very aggressive also? This is called the duckweed. D-U-C-K-W-E-E-D, duckweed. Okay. Now, a star-shaped creature typically has a central disc and 5 arms. It has 2 stomachs, one of which can be pushed outside while eating. So, sometimes I don't know whether you guys have been to the beach or not, but sometimes you see that these starfish, they are called starfish. They do float and they do come out on the shore also with the tide. And as the tide set goes back inside, they also go back into the water. So, this is a starfish because it looks like a star. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. It is a free-floating perennial aquatic plant with feathery, free-hanging roots and flowers. What is it? It is called water hyacinth. W-A-T-E-R-H-Y-A-C-I-N-T-H. Water hyacinth. Now, it is one of the largest invertebrates on the planet, reaching up to a size of 43 feet in females and 33 feet in males. Its 8 long tentacles have 4 rows of solid suction cups with hooks, facilitating prey catching. So, which is this? It's like an invertebrate, on the planet. So now, what is it called? This is called the giant squid. And squids can really be very dangerous, They can actually, they have this solid suction hooks, The cups, they can actually catch their prey very quickly. So, this is a giant squid, G-I-A-N-T S-Q-U-I-D. This aquatic plant gets its name from its feather-like leaves arranged around the stem in whorls of 4 to 6. It is also a popular aquatic garden plant. Which is this? Look at the shape of it. If you look at it, it really looks like feathers. Look at the leaves, that they really look like feathers. Now, this is known as the parrot feather. The name itself, if you look at it, it's green in color. It looks like the feathers of the parrot. So, it is known as parrot feathers. P-A-R-R-O-T-F-E-A-T-H-E-R. Now, this marine fish has eyes on both sides of its head and can move each independently. Generally, when we move our eyes, we move them together. But this particular plant, this particular fish, marine fish, it can move its one eye in a different direction, the other one in a different direction independently. So, it has a long snout which it uses to suck up food. It is the only species on earth where the male bears the unborn young. Look at the shape of this. Doesn't it look like a horse to you? Yes, this is a seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. It's a seahorse. Alright, so children, do you know the water wheel plant feeds on small aquatic invertebrates? It traps its prey with its leaves arranged in whorls around a central stem. Now, you have to answer me. Water lily and lotus, okay, they are two names of same plant or not? So, do you think water lily and lotus, they differ from each other, or are they same? You have to find this out and let me know. Alright, now let's do the next one. Tick the correct option. First, it does not have bones, brain, heart and head. Okay, now this particular thing does not have any of this. Is it an electric eel? Is it a jellyfish? Is it a blue whale? So, the right answer is it's a jellyfish. So, if you look at the picture of a jellyfish, you will come to know that there is no head in particular. There is no brain, heart, okay. It's just there. It's like a sticky substance actually. Okay. Next is, it has a strap-like pointed leaves arranged in whorls of 2 to 8 around the stem. Is it a hydrilla, water lettuce, or is it a lotus? And the right answer is, it is a hydrilla. Now, it is a slow swimmer and also releases ink to escape from shark and large fishes. Now, what is it? Is it a starfish, a jellyfish, or a cuttlefish? It's a cuttlefish. So, what they do is they release something which is called an ink, okay, and because of this ink, okay, they are able to escape from sharks and large fishes. Okay. Now, it is popularly known as sea cow and survives only on sea grass. Is it an octopus? Is it a dugong? Or is it a dolphin? And the right answer is, it is a dugong. It is commonly known as singhada. Okay, now we eat singhadas also, but these are the different singhadas. They are also, singhadas are actually called water chestnuts. Okay, so I think you've already got the answer. Okay, it is a water chestnut. We do have it. Okay, especially during the winter season and all, beginning of winters. Okay, during the autumn season to be precise, we have this thing called singhada. It is also known as water chestnut in English. Okay, now these floating plants, they have small flowers with 5 yellow or white petals. Is it a giant kelp? Is it a floating heart, or is it sea water lily? And the right answer is, it is a floating heart. Alright, now identify and name the following. So, look at the pictures and then you have to name the following. You have the help box which can help you with the spellings. So, now the first picture. The first picture is that of an oyster. You know, oysters are like shells and inside those oysters are pearls. So, when the fisherman gets these oysters and they sell it, okay, they sell the pearls from it, they make a lot of money. Alright, the next one, okay, the next one is a pickerel weed. Okay, the third one is piranha. It's a beautiful, and it has a beautiful fish, okay, beautiful orange colored fish, and if you look at it, it shines, okay. Okay, the fourth one is the blue iris. Fifth is, look at it, doesn't it look scary? Haven't you seen this in the movies like Jaws, okay? And this is a great white shark. They are really dangerous. Okay, now, and the last one is the, look at this, it looks like the tail of a cat. It is a cat tail. Alright, now let's look at an amazing fact. Sea wasp is described as the most lethal jellyfish in the world, whose one sting leads to pain and death within 5 minutes. So, these fishes, okay, these different fish which are there, they can be really dangerous. Okay, so when you actually enter the water, sometimes we go snorkeling and all. So when you enter the water, you have to be very careful. Okay, next. Now, let's talk about us, okay, about me. What do we call animals which live in salt water bodies? Alright, so find this answer and let me know. Alright, children. So quickly finish these exercises if you haven't done them simultaneously.